Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot create account. Your account cannot be created at this time in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID, but you're facing this type of issue again and again. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you can also use your browser and just open your browser and browse any website to check if your internet is working well or not. If your internet is not working well, so you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go to settings, go to general, go to software update, just try to update your software. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back. I recommend you have to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have done, after resetting your network settings before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly personalize volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. Now you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to use your browser instead of your phone, because sometimes it might be that your iPhone has been banned or has any issue or any glitch due to you're unable to create your account using your own iPhone, but you can still create account by using your browser. Just open this browser here and you have to simply search for a website which is appleid.apple.com. Just search for this website here as appleid.apple.com. And now on this screen, you just have to try to create a new account. Just have this arrow option here. Then tap on create your Apple account. After that, you may see this type interface. Now, if and on this screen, you can easily create a new account, or you can also use the same website on your PC or on any other device to create a new Apple ID. So once you have done, you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, there's a single way. Just try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. Now to do that, you can easily use your Apple support app, or you can also use Apple support website. Then select iPhone from here, or you can also go to this more products here, tap on Apple account, and just tap on this other Apple account topics, tap on creating an Apple account, and here just select get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you might see a phone number. Whenever you want to dial, you just have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.